Hi, good evening, the Canto Club Philippines. I'm here to show you the how this buttons on the steering wheel uh, works, which I had just installed yesterday. So let's start. So see how the BMW logo shows up. Let's try to how to lower the volume. And so this is the volume control, and let's mute. Um, Before this, I have configured the buttons in the HU interface. So let's here in the steer. Sorry if it's not so clear. That's the steer key. So it will ask for a pin code. So there, wizard mode. So these are all the functions: volume, GPS, mode, next, pause, then call, and hang up. So all those were configured earlier. And so for the mode, so it toggles over the different modes. So this one here is, I think, the USB. As you can see, I have the USB inserted. So let's go. And then so next, this is also next. Okay, so that's the TV, which I don't have for now. Bluetooth. So I wanted to show you how the Bluetooth interface works out, but it's impossible right now because I'm using my smartphone to record this video, and this smartphone is the one that's being paired over there. So and I'm using it to record, so I can't. Sorry, I can show you how that works. But I can tell you that it worked. I tried calling from my cell phone, or if somebody calls me, then I want to hang up. I just press this red to put down and to send, or to call this green button, much like the what you see over there. Okay, so let's go to Bluetooth, and this is Video. So this is the FM. Um, I usually, when I drive, I listen to FM stations. So in order to go to other stations that were saved, preset is just go up, go up, you down. So just like that. That's the aux. Then I'm gone, you need love, light the shadows on your. So try now the DVD. So there. It's
Ed, did, Tom, hurt, him, did Tom hurt him?
So back to there. So there you go. It works all right, everything. So if you're also interested, you have to first have a head unit that is compatible to the steering wheel controls, and once you have that, you must also need a clock spring or a coil spring. They call that for the wire connections that goes underneath this center piece of the steering wheel. So without that,